Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your navigation menu to a hamburger menu in Wix Studio so you can create a clean, modern look for your desktop site or optimize your header for mobile devices in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix Studio editor and select your header. The first step is identifying the global header area where your main navigation is housed. In Wix Studio, the header is a master section, meaning any changes you make here will automatically apply to every single page of your website. Log in to your Wix Studio dashboard and click on Edit Site. Once the canvas loads, click directly on the header section at the very top. Look for the blue breadcrumb label in the top left corner to confirm you have the header selected. This is the foundation phase. In 2026, Wix Studio treats the header as a specialized container. By selecting the entire header first, you ensure that when you swap to a hamburger menu, the icon is perfectly anchored within your site's global layout, maintaining a professional and consistent user experience across all your content. Next, navigate to the menu settings. Once your header is active, you need to access the specific settings for your current horizontal menu to change its display logic. Click on your existing horizontal menu, the list of page links like Home, About. A floating action bar will appear above it. Click on the Settings icon. In the Inspector panel that opens on the right side of the screen, look for the Layout tab. This is the transformation phase. In 2026, Wix Studio allows you to toggle between different menu types without having to delete and recreate your links. By entering these settings, you are preparing the editor to hide the text links and replace them with a single interactive icon. Lastly, switch the menu type to hamburger. This is the core step where you change how your visitors interact with your site navigation. In the Inspector panel, under the Layout section, find the Menu Type drop-down menu. Select Hamburger from the list of options. You will see your text links disappear and be replaced by the iconic three-line hamburger icon. This is the aesthetic phase. Using a hamburger menu on desktop is a popular 2026 design trend for minimalist portfolios and tech sites. It clears up visual clutter, allowing your blue hour background images or candid video content to take center stage while keeping the navigation tucked away until it's actually needed. And that's pretty much it. To change your nav menu to a hamburger menu in 2026, select your header and click your horizontal menu. In the Inspector panel, change the menu type to hamburger. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.